Bonjour Mon. Let me sit up. Bonjour Mon. Say it, babe.
Bonjour.
Bonjour
Mon Petites.
Mon Petite.
Yeah! Bonjour, Mon Petites.
Bonjour Mon Petite.
Yes, you did it! It wasn't hard. Yay! Bonjour, Mon Petites. It is I, the fabulous Trice, back with a new video. And in today's video, I'm doing a highly requested tutorial, even though I've already done this before. So I'm going to link the old video right there. Here. One of these two sides of the old video is going to link you wherever the drop down comes. Girl, I don't know what side this thing comes on. But anyway, I'm going to be doing, I think, like 4 or 5 different rap styles. And Bay's on FaceTime, so he's going to be joining me. Say hey, Bay.
What's up? What is it?
I don't know if you guys can hear him, but he's here, and he'll have his commentary, I guess. But anyway, if you want to see how I do what I do and how you can do it too, then keep on watching, and I will catch you on the other side. Okay, so for the first style, I think I'm going to do something down because normally I wear my wraps up, like high on top of my head. So for the first one, you just, and if you don't have a lot of hair, I don't know what to tell you because the high ones, I can tell you what to do to substitute, but like the low ones, I don't know. So what you're going to do is gather your hair up and just put your ponytail around it one time. It doesn't have to be, you know, it doesn't have to be neat. It's getting ready to get covered anyway. This is a Pashmina. It's just a scarf. It has the little fringes on the ends, both ends. I don't know how long it is. Look up how long is a Pashmina and you'll get it. All right, so then I just fold it. It's not exactly in half. Like maybe I folded it a quarter of the way down. And I like to have like 90% of my edge situation out. Yeah. All right, so basically all I do to the back is just cross it over. And then I'm just going to twist it up. And if you don't want to twist it all the way to the end, you don't have to. And you want to twist them. So you're going to twist them both in the same direction. Twist both pieces, both sides, whatever you want to call it. And then you're going to cross them over your bun. You see how that's going over the bun? Keep twisting, keep twisting, keep twisting. You're going to cross them back underneath each other. And I told you I was going to twist mine all the way down. You know why? Because I don't like when the fringes stick out. It's just weird. And then you're going to tuck it underneath one of the ropes. See? See? This is why I twist it. Because I don't like the fringes. Hold on.
Twist, twist, twist.
Really? And then you're just going to tuck it. And we have style number 1. So for the next style, we're going to go up. And if you don't have as much hair as I do, what you can do is take a pashmina, a t-shirt, a couple of socks, whatever you want, and you're going to wrap it up into a ball. Put that ball on top of your head, and that will substitute for your bun. Me, I have a big ass bun, so hair goes up. And you want to base where your hair is depending on where you want your bun to be. Because your hair is the base for the bun, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. You all right?
Yeah.
Bay's good.
How you doing?
I'm straight. Okay, so again, we're not doing anything special with this bun, nothing fancy. You're just gonna put it in a bun. All right, so this piece of fabric is just another one that I got from the fabric store. And you want to go for a thinner piece of fabric on this one. You don't really want like a full pashmina. You don't want like a full yard of fabric for this one. You do want a thinner scarf. So I'm going to fold this one in half lengthwise. And then I'm gonna fold it like just a little bit at the top just to get rid of the raggedy ends. But honestly, that don't even matter neither. And you're gonna take this and put it around the back of your head. Cross it over in the front, just like this. And you're gonna leave your bun out. Now, if you want your scarf over your ears, then by all means do it over your ears. I think for this one, I want it out. Girl, I'm trying to scoot down for y'all. And then you're just gonna tuck it in. Yeah. Now my bun is raggedy AF right now. And normally like my bun would be cute. So it'll be just like a nice little hunk of hair sticking out the top. Cause you know you gotta let them know you got some hair. Alright, so for this one I got my head gotta be like all the way down. So I'm gonna take that bun out and I want my puff to be pretty large, and I'm gonna put this one kind of towards the back. Now this is the one I was talking about where if you don't have as much hair as I do, then you can take a scarf, a sock, a bun that you made or whatever and just put that joint on the top of your head, because you're gonna need some height for this. And you're only gonna fold this one down a little bit because you're gonna want the scarf to cover your hair. So you see how my hair is covered? This one is gonna go over my ears. So I'm just gonna cross it in the front. I'm gonna bring it around the back and tie it. And now I'm gonna bring it to the front. And you wanna make sure that it's flat when you bring it around. You don't want like the bulky fabric pieces. That makes sense? I don't know. Girl, you know what I'm talking about. And just tuck this one right on in. So you just want to tuck the other side in as well. Thank you. And you can also adjust this like however you want to adjust it, and what I like about this one is that when you have a scarf that's like printed, you get like this fly ass design, you know what I'm saying? So here we go. This is what we got going on. Huh?
That's that coming to America stuff for real.
Alright, so for the next style, I'm going to go back to the red pashmina because we need some more coverage. So it's actually still folded down from the way that I first had it, about halfway down. And you're going to bring this one from the back and cover the entire situation that you have going on. So this whole thing is going to get covered. And I think this one is going to go over my ears. And you're just going to cross it in the front. And this is another one that I'm going to twist up. Make sure your bun ain't lopsided, because that's not cute. You're going to twist it all the way up again. Get rid of the little fringes. And if you don't want to twist it, you don't have to. It'll make your bun look a bit more Saturday afternoon. I kind of just threw this on and I'm cute or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to twist it up. So you're just going to wrap it around and tuck it wherever it goes. Twist up the other side, wrap it around, and tuck it wherever it goes. Alright, so here's the variation when you don't twist it. Again, you want to make sure that covers your bun, and you're going to cross it over the front, cross it in the back, and then you're going to kind of just like fit it in the space behind itself. And then tuck. So that's how this one goes when you don't twist it. Alright, last style, and this is probably like the easiest. You're going to leave your wrap as open as you possibly can because again, you want to cover your head. When you cross it in the front, you're going to twist it up, like do a 2-strand twist. Then you're going to twist that around your bun and tuck. And this is the easiest one to do. One more with the pashmina. So I'm going to wrap this around the bun, and then I'm going to tuck it wherever it goes. And then I'm going to take the other side and wrap it around the bun. And I'm going to go, again, I'm going to go up with it. I'm not going to go down with it. And I'm going to tuck that wherever it goes.
Tuck that, tuck that.
And this is how you get your high Nefertiti wrap. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of another tutorial with Trice. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Make sure you are a part of Mon Petites, because we are a big ass family and we keep on growing 30K strong. By the way, the winner of the giveaway, I don't remember who I picked. The name is right here. Sweetheart, you won, baby girl. So if you see your name across the screen, make sure you send me a DM on Instagram and let me know your mailing address, and I will send you off your gifts. Thank you guys for 30K. We up in here. We strong. We growing. We're going to continue to grow. Make sure you share this video, like this video, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Any other videos that you want to see. Questions, comments, concerns, complaints, drop them below. And speaking of dropping things below, this week's chat with Trice Mon Petites. Long distance relationships. How do we feel about them? Can you do it? Have you done it? If you've done it, how'd you get through it? Did it last? I want to know. Drop it below. Let me know a thing or two about a thing or two. And that's all there is to say. And there is no more except as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, love you, love you. And I will catch you in the next video. Mwah!